Hey everyone, Anita here, creating a layout for kitaholic kids. I'm starting off with some mixed media using a stencil from Kaisercraft and some Semco yellow paint and some modelling paste from Mont Money. I'm just gonna mix it up and apply it in two places on my white cardstock. It did make the cardstock buckle a little bit, but it wasn't too bad. I cut a couple of 2-inch strips from two of the pattern papers. I'm going to add them to the top and bottom of my cardstock. I'm just using a pair of scallop scissors to add a scalloped edge on the mint paper. I'm going to do that for both mint strips. Now I'm going to add some pattern papers behind my photo. I've just used some scraps. And I'm just gonna staple them together. A doily from my stash, and I wanted to add this tag. Tucking it in the side there. The photo is of our cat Luna. And just adding some ephemera around the photo. From the Crafternoon sticker book, I took some stickers out and attached them to some leftover white cardstock and fussy cut them out. Then I cut one of them in half so I could add it to the top and bottom of my layout. And as you can see, I'm just layering them all around the photo. I sped it up as would be pretty boring watching me trying to work out where I wanted to put all the flowers. I had a bit of an idea how I wanted to do it. I fussy cut one of the ephemera bits from the Jen Hatfield ephemera pack, just to add that little heart in there, tucking more flowers around. Adding some leaves. I wanted to add more of the blue. I'm going to add some. Found some other stickers in the sticker book to add. Added a little paper clip from my stash. I'm deciding between adore and happiness. I end up using happiness, and then I use more of the flower stickers from the sticker book that have the darker blue in them. And I take a few of the little flowers from them Pink Fresh puffy stickers, and just add them on top for some dimension, and a few of those little leaves, tucking them in there. I decided to take a strip of one of the stickers from the sticker book and add them at the top and bottom, just to bring some more of that blue in. And another sticker. Adding them to a bit of cardstock. And just putting them, selecting places to help that blue pop more. I'm going to fussy cut them out. Now I'm just adding more of them to the clusters. I'm going to add a few more of those leaves. I'm getting close to being done. Still wanted to add a few more stickers. Add this other one to the bottom. Just using my scissors to cut the edges. And I think I'm done.